Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you guys enjoyed that cool intro video. I had a ton of fun making it. Today we're talking about the VLUX 5. I got the VLUX 5 back in July, so I've really only had it for a couple weeks, and I actually haven't been shooting as much as I wanted to. I was focusing on trying to get the VLUX 14 done with my channel and sold, and I did successfully have to let go of the VLUX 114, so now I'm only left with the 5 and the CL. So I wanted to make a quick first look of the VLUX 5 for you guys. So hands down, first look, when I put my hands on this camera for the very first time, I was blown away. It feels so different, feels a little bit more finalized, I guess you could say. A couple things I noticed right away is, one, I believe we have a couple more options on this wheel here. So I think on the VLUX 114 we did not have this PF and the 4K. I think it was just the 10-second timer, the time lapse, and the burst shot and the single shot. Another thing I realized really quickly is the addition of this wheel here. So in reality, that wheel was actually already here. They really added this wheel, I think. So before on the VLUX 114, you only had one wheel to adjust shutter speed and aperture. To toggle, you would press it and then you would spin up. So now you have your aperture dedicated and your shutter speed dedicated. So those were some of my very first observations of the camera itself. The other one is we have a slightly larger screen, slightly larger EVF if I turn this on here, and we have a touchscreen now. So I know a lot of cameras now have touchscreens, and that's probably a really small thing, but the VLUX 14 did not have a touchscreen, so that is something to look forward to. The other immediate thing I came across is the complete change of the lens controls. So now you have a function 1, a function 2, and a function 3 button. Back on the 114, you were able to toggle on and off whether you wanted to use the ring to focus or to zoom, or just completely turn off the ring itself. As far as I know, I believe one of these functions just lets you focus. I need to play around with them a lot more to really figure out what their purpose is of being relocated here. With that being said, your function buttons are still relatively found in the same place. They're just a different number scheme now. And lastly, probably the least of importance of anything, and this is mainly for anybody who's coming from the 114 to the 5, something that drives me kind of absolutely nuts is they kind of moved the on and off switch here. So I think it used to be further up, and I find myself sometimes because if I have the camera on and I feel it with my thumb, I just muscle memory just brings me back to the 114, and I constantly try to push the little toggle further than what it should, because I think it's either on or off. And honestly, that's probably the dumbest thing, but just a heads up to, if you are upgrading from the 114 to the 5 and you have that crazy muscle memory that I have, you may want to be a little bit extra careful around this toggle button, is all I'm trying to tell you guys. But yeah, other than that, everything is pretty much similar. You still have your ports located in the same sides. This is where your 1/8 inch mic jack is. On this other side, you still have your HDMI remote and USB controls, and at the bottom you still have the same battery size that we're all used to, and your SD card slot. So yeah, this is the VLUX 5. I will do a more full in-depth video soon. Right now I kind of just wanted to show it off and see what you guys think, and yeah, get some conversation going on my channel and some content flowing, right? All right, well, thanks for watching, guys. Please take care, and I hope to see you hanging out on my channel and watching more of my videos. Thank you.